Saturn planet, popularly known as Lord Shani, it has been believed and it has been observed and seen in this universe that Lord Shani, Saturn planet, is the most powerful and strongest planet in the universe, which gives results based on our deeds. And you also know that everyone get fear or scared of Lord Shani. It is because if we do any bad deeds in our life, then it gives us back. So now coming to the next 45 days that is going to happen, that is going to be even positive, actually very positive. Lord Shani would be retrograde from 23rd of May 2021 till 11th October 2021. So as you know, when any planet is retrograde, that means that goes backward. Actually it doesn't go backward in the universe, it slows down. And as also you know that Saturn is very slow planet. It takes around 2.5 years to cross from one moon sign to another moon sign. But still, when it is positive, it makes the life. You also know that. So now coming to the moon sign, which are the moon sign that will be most beneficial? 6 to 7 signs, actually 6 signs will be very positive, and along with that another moon sign will be a little bit 50-50 positive. All moon signs will be positive, but still this 6 moon sign will get most benefit in this time period of 45 days from now onwards to 22nd May 2021. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagwan Shri Shakti Swabhaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishraya Namah. My dear friends, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astro Dr. Sai Subhajit. Before I proceed, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always have the future notification of my videos. And first comes the Aries. Aries will have a very good auspicious time. New venture can come to your life in this time period. You will be able to balance both the personal and the professional life very easily, as Lord Shani, Saturn planet, will be in your 10th house from your moon sign, which is your action career house. So career will flourish, you will get lots of opportunities, you will be able to earn lots of money, you will be able to save lots of money in this time period. I am going to tell the remedies also at the end of the video. Definitely follow that. I will give you a common remedy for all, so that whatever the remedy it is possible for you to choose, I will give around 5 to 6 remedies. Try to choose at least 3 to 4 and observe them. Next is the Taurus. From Taurus, Saturn will be in your 9th house, which is your fate, fortune and luck house. So that is also very positive. Although you have a Shani Dhaya before in from 2017 to 2020, now the time period in terms of relationship, in terms of new career opportunity, job change, promotion is seen. So this is also a very auspicious period for you. Both the Jupiter and the Saturn aspect is positive in your chart as per the moon sign. Next is the Cancer. Cancer will not have a much better period, but still why I am telling it will be a powerful period? It is because the problem in the married life, misunderstanding and arguments with the partner will go away. Finance will be much better if you want to do some new reinvestment or new investment, then it is a very auspicious time for you to do it. Next is the Leo. Leo will also have a better period in terms of everything. Overall, it will be much better. Things will get settled and things will flow for you from this time period. That is very auspicious for you, and things you can expect very unexpected changes that will be in your favor. Try to always make favorable and do the remedies that I am going to show you. It is because remedies is very important, because after 23rd of May things can be little messy, hassy. So you need to be taken good consideration of all this. Next is the Libra. Libra is going to the Shani Dhaya. Although from Libra moon sign it is in the 4th house, still it will give you lots of opportunities from foreign lands or on-site opportunities. Although because of the pandemic you might not be able to travel, but it is still possible that you will get some opportunities or some benefits from the foreign country. So try to take all the opportunities, and also finance should increase in this time period. Now, next is the Sagittarius. Sagittarius is going to the Shani Saraswati last years, and things will settle down now, and you will be able to get more positive, whether it is in retrograde or in a normal motion. So things are very positive. Virgo moon sign. Virgo moon sign is also from your moon sign. It is the 5th house. Shani will be in the 5th house, and it's very positive in terms of career, in terms of family, in terms of kids, in terms of development. New development should occur in this time period. So for all the moon sign that I have discussed, finance will be the main key, and lots of money you will be able to accumulate in this time period. And last will be the Capricorn. The most beneficial things that will happen to you, although the Shani Saraswati is going on second phase, but still you will be able to get a very good life in this time period. Things might not be so much good for you after 23rd because of Saturn planet will be retrograde, but still things will be very positive. Overall, things will progress for you. New venture, new capitals or new business, new ideas will flourish, and new opportunities, and definitely a very good flow in terms of money will come. As your Lord Rashi, the owner of your moon sign is Lord Saturn, which is Shani planet, so it will give a favorable, more favorable result than other moon sign. So these are the 6 to 7 moon sign that I have discussed. Is very auspicious for this moon sign, and you should utilize all the opportunities in this time period and to maximize your future in terms of money, career, everything. So regarding the remedies, what you should do? First of all, never take a non-vegetarian food on Saturday. You should not take alcohol, smoking. Actually, you should not talk ever for all the moon sign, but you should especially observe on Saturday. You should not take any alcohol, any non-vegetarian food, or any cigarettes or any smoking things you should not do. This is the first things that you have to do. Second, you should always chant the mantras of Lord Shani. Then you will get the more benefit, and you will be able to overcome the issues in your life with your own intelligence. Try to help others as much as possible. Try to help elders, and always respect parents, respect elders, and always try to all the poor people in the life. Whoever is in need, you might get some issues. If any issues, then also you should always try to do it, never stop it. Always try to donate food, clothing to the poor and needy people. That will also be very helpful to you. And most important, another is that some people don't respect their partner. You should be loyal and honest with your partner. Do not cheat your business partner, or don't have any ego like things because of any things with your partner or with your business partner. So that is also another consideration that you have to check. For the Capricorn moon sign and Aries moon sign, there will be a lots of travel that will happen, whether for a new venture to other countries or to foreign countries, that is possible. So for all the moon sign that I have discussed, try to do the remedies that I have told. Then you will be able to overcome all the problems in the life. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. If you want to take a paid consultation from me, then you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like the videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will always get the future notification of my videos. Stay free. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.